Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Marc. I'm a Canadian aviation YouTuber as well as a YouTube content creator as well as a plane spotter in addition. And welcome back to another video. And today guys, we're going to be doing some unboxing today. And this won't be just any regular unboxing that you guys might see like when I have like time to and as well as money in order to randomly order some new models that are actually would be suitable for my airport, and something really cool that I would love to add to my collection. Just to let you know guys, today is Sunday, July 5th as I'm recording this video, and if you guys don't really know much about me, I don't really explain this on YouTube, but yesterday on July 4th was actually my birthday. I actually got two models to unbox. However, for this video, we're just going to be unboxing one. The second model, I will mention it later in this video, and then I will make a separate video on this. But getting into this video right now, I actually have two models right now that I got for my birthday, but here's the difference. One, I actually received it after I had my birthday cake. As I was opening up my presents, that was actually the only present I got as a model aircraft. The other presents I got was Lego as well as some t-shirts and other cool stuff that really suits me really well and makes me really cool. But anyways guys, I actually did receive a model on that day, and it's not going to be the model that I'm going to be unboxing in this video. It will be in another video, in a separate video like I said earlier. So the thing is that I actually did receive some birthday money, and after thinking how I can spend it, personally I have decided to arrange at least some for this model that I'm going to literally show you guys right now. I bought this at my local aviation store today, so without further ado, let's get unboxing. Alright, so we're just going to unbox this model right now. So this is what I literally bought today. So here guys, if I can just brighten the light here, there we go. Look at the camera. Anyways, this is what I got, and it's another old model that I have right now. So here we have this 1400 Frontier Boeing 737-300 in the old Frontier colors, as you can see. This is a really cool aircraft, especially I'm buying some aircraft from the past that you won't obviously see at airports anymore. And just let you know, if you guys are curious about what brand this is, I usually like to get different brands like Darren and Jet My Jets. This is actually a new brand that I have bought, and it's called Dragon Wings. I'm going to explain a little bit about Dragon Wings, what my opinion it is on it, and then I'm going to show you guys the model and some cool features I actually found out even before I checked this out at my local aviation store. So let's get started. So about Dragon Wings. So Dragon Wings, they're basically a company just like NG Models and Jeremiah Jets. I'm sure you've heard of those, especially if you've been watching my videos. But Dragon Wings is something new I heard. I've seen some other YouTubers unbox them. Some YouTubers, they like it, but some of the reviews that I've seen from other YouTubers respectively, yeah, they don't really like them, and they don't really recommend them to me. But the thing is, I think my methods are kind of different, or it's actually most of the same. Usually often I like to find aircraft at a really low price. I'm kind of like more like a cheap guy over here. So when I buy these aircraft, I want to make sure that as long as it's got to be something cheap, low price, but high quality. That's kind of how I am right now. But if an aircraft is really good, and I know that it is very expensive, and it's actually more expensive than I realized, then yes, I will root and vow it up to buy that model. So here we are guys, I paid like $34 for this particular model. Let's check out some of the features of this box, and then I'm gonna unbox it. So here's the logo of Dragon Wings. Yeah, I would really actually love to try this. I'm gonna see if we can also get some silent light over here. Here's another part of the box. And ooh. Yeah, I think Dragon Wings is a Chinese company, I think, but yeah, I'm gonna have to look it up. But right now, guys, let's unbox the aircraft. Alright, so we're just gonna go over here and... Hold on, guys, just please stand by. I'm just gonna open one part of it. Alright, there we go. Oh, there's the paper here. so first of all, we got the instructions here. I might want to explain this, but ooh, this could be something very, very interesting. And look, it actually comes with a stand. But first, let's unbox this aircraft here. Ooh, look at this here. Now guys, I actually had to relocate my unboxing video from the family room which I was previously in towards the backyard right now in fresh air. Despite the hot temperatures, and right now, listen, definitely you guys can hear an airplane. What the irony of my love of aviation. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get into details of this aircraft. The reason why I did actually move towards the backyard is because I was actually not happy with the lighting in the family room, so I decided to relocate myself here so we can actually go through with better detail with brighter light, as well as getting some extra fresh air, despite that I had to go outside in these very hot conditions. But I don't mind it as long as I apply sunscreen and then take some appropriate precautions, as well as at least trying to get some fresh air. I don't want to be inside too much. As well as unboxing this video, things should all be good. So anyways, we got the model right here. You can see now with better quality as well as better lighting. I got my pencil ready, and then let's get into detail right now. Alright, getting into detail over here, we're gonna go through this Boeing 737 Classic. So here we have the cockpit windows. And as you can see that many of the Boeing 737 Classics do have these so-called eyelashes, which are also known as the extra windows in the cockpit. Newer 737s, especially most 737 NGs, as well as all 737 MAXs, have this feature removed. I don't remember much of the reason why, guys, but if you know the reason, you guys can comment down below. But anyways, getting back to detail over here. Here we have this classic Frontier Airlines titles, as well as the Frontier Airlines slogan back in the day. And here's the emergency exits, the CFM 56 classic turbo engines, as well as the L3 rear door. And here, according to the box, I know that Frontier Airlines is known for putting several different animals on its tails. So I'm reading the box while recording this right now. So here we have Mallard and Mustang motive. Yeah, I think that's what they call this bird. I'm not really into animals, guys, so I don't know if I got that correct. And down here we have the aircraft's registration. It is Echo India Charlie Hotel Hotel. And as I go through the details of these aircraft, normally I would end this video right now, but we actually have some more exciting extra stuff that I would like to show you. Like this, look at the stand over here. So let's unbox this and see how we can put this on towards the aircraft. I also did receive some instructions regarding it, and look, I think they added something that could be suitable for my airport. Yeah, anyways, let's take this off. And then let's focus on the stand first. If you guys were wondering what that is that was attached to the to this bag, I'm gonna show you guys later. But for now, we gotta focus on this. Ooh, looks like Marc is lucky today. Look at this. All right, I'm gonna explain it later. All right, if I can just get this here. I think I don't need instructions for this. This will be easy. I'm not having good feelings about this right now. Okay. Wait, hold on. Does it go like this? Finally! It took me a few seconds, but that was not much of a problem. But yeah, this is what the stand looks like. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it is understandably this size, especially if you really want to make sure you hold the aircraft with effort over here. So let's try to put this aircraft on the stand without any doing harm or damage. Yeah, let's see if this actually fits. If it does not, then we're not gonna take any more risks. So, does it fit? I think it does. Hold on, guys. I'm just trying to see if it can. I'm not gonna force it in, otherwise it's gonna make it worse. Guys, if you think that that even though this model does come with a stand and you think it does not fit in, try not to push it too much. Otherwise you're gonna ruin your precious model. Especially you pay so much for this. Actually, one thing I forgot about this model. Oh my goodness, guys, look. So looks like we have a bird on this side of the aircraft, and then on the other side, ooh, we got who we got over here? Hold on, that's not showing the box, but I'm just gonna say it looks more like a pony to me. Like, I don't know about animals, so yeah, if I guessed it wrong, please forgive me, but I don't know what's going on with the stand here. Now, earlier in this video, when I was carrying the bag of this over here, hold on. Alright, sorry guys, it was just the wind. But yes, when I was carrying the bag of this stand prior to its unboxing, I actually found this small suspicious bag. I was like, why would they put an extra bag on it? And this is the reason why. Look what it just came with. Yeah, I really want to take this out right now. Let me just get rid of you, tape. I can really tell that even though this model does look small, it's worth it, and the price is actually very, very good. Especially if you want to be like a cheap guy like me while still collecting the best models, I would actually highly recommend it. But it depends on the brand, where you live, what's your currency, etc., and so on and so forth. So look. Ooh, looks like we got this baggage card on. Oh, no way! I hope I did not break it, but yeah, but I think you can raise it, but you gotta be careful. Hold on, let me just fix it here. Okay, there we go. I think I accidentally detached it, but look at this, guys. You can actually yeah, I never thought there would be 1/400 scaled baggage vehicle. Normally I'd only see 1/200s on sale, but this really takes the cake over here. And besides, I always use tiny Lego pieces as airport vehicles. That's the only way I can make an airport, but maybe this could be actually a game changer over here. Like, if you haven't seen my videos, normally I would use like little Legos pieces in order to fulfill them as airport vehicles. But now that I got this, I think this should be something. This should be a new chapter that I am really willing to open to. So let's just put this here. No way, this is so cool. Although these are all small and they are so cute, these guys are really worth it. I want to thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. There were actually some flaws that I literally had to encounter while doing this unboxing in this video, guys, but I can't really believe this aircraft had a lot of unexpected things. Like, it came with this tiny little baggage vehicle that loads all the baggage on the aircraft, as well as this stand that I don't think I was looking properly on the box, even though the box would say like literally a lot of stuff about this aircraft. In addition, I did not show you in this video this feature in this video, but I'm going to show you right now. You can see this little bag over here on my little hand. These are actually extra landing gear in case these break, but these can also act as landing gear that can be retracted. I have to follow the instructions, and that's why I showed you the instructions board earlier in this video. But yes, I really love this new aircraft that I bought, and I'm really happy that my birthday money went to somewhere something really worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Don't forget that if you're new, consider subscribing if you're new, and I will see you in another video. Bye.